This is video 6 of the ANCOVA assignment for Psych 642. I'm going to pick up right where I left off at the end of the last video when the recorder cut off. I've already discussed everything up to the planned contrast and was in the process of discussing that. I'd already shown the t-values and statistical significance of both of the planned contrasts that were done, and now I'm going to talk about the effect size and show where that came from out of the statistical output. So it came from the R contrast function that was written that used t and degrees of freedom, and you can see in the output here that this is the effect size of the contrast between the sexual minority groups and heterosexuals in depression scores, and you can see that that is right here. And then you can also see that the effect size for the other group, the other contrast of bisexual individuals versus homosexual individuals, right here with an R of 0.91. So once again, they were both large effect sizes for these two comparisons. So what does all of this mean? As I briefly discussed in some of the previous videos when we were going through the results, the data, and specifically this ANCOVA model suggests that individuals from a sexual minority do seem to have higher scores on depression compared to heterosexual individuals. Additionally, bisexual individuals do seem to have a significantly higher depression scores to homosexual individuals, which confirms both of the hypotheses that we set forth for this study. Unfortunately, like I said before, the major limitation of this specific model and these findings is the lack of homogeneity of regression slopes for the model. Therefore, further examination really does need to be done in order to confirm that these differences in effects that this model found really actually are there and exist.